Hello and welcome along to another presentation by Mr. Burns. Today I wanted to talk to you about vocabulary around algebra, the equal sign, and highlighting the differences between expressions and equations. Now, algebra is defined as a generalisation of number work. Mostly in your school you'll be dealing with and working with the decimal number system, which is your base 10 number system. If you're lucky enough, you'll be experiencing different number bases, and algebra becomes a generalisation of this number work. Previously, your experience may be that algebra is a variable, an unknown quantity which can represent anything. What we'll find later on is that algebra can be a set or a list of variables with unknown numbers, but then they will have a fixed quantity. You're all familiar with the equal sign. Just to note that it's read as is equals to, or as you know it, equals. We need to point out that it has the same value. Using digits, 7 plus 1 is equal or equals 10 minus 2. Further on in your schooling, you'll see LHS equals RHS. Now this is described as the left hand side, which is everything to the left of the equal sign, and RHS is everything to the right of the equal sign. Looking at expressions to begin with, expressions are defined as a mathematical form expressed symbolically. This can be done using digits. This can be done using images, for example, algebra tiles, so symbolically, and also algebraically, 2L plus 2B. You might be familiar with what that represents. An equation is a mathematical statement showing that two expressions are equal. That key word there is equal. That means the presence of the equal sign has to be there. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 10 minus 2 using digits, expressions, and the presence of the equal sign. Symbolically, again, using algebra tiles for example, left hand side equals the right hand side, so on the left hand side you've got two green bars, and that's exactly the same. It's equal to two yellow squares. Algebraically, in its abstract form, we've got y equal to x. Left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this means that all the y values, whatever y may be, it's a variable, it varies, is equal to the x values, the variable x. So if y takes a value of 2, that is equal to x, which has to take the value of 2 because of the presence of that equal sign. So that ends this presentation on the introduction to some vocabulary around algebra, equal sign, expressions and equations. Thanks for watching.